All right. So today is 5/15/24, and my friend Sergio saved the day on the fishing trip. He welded it. Did you use a MIG or a TIG, or what'd you use?
TIG.
TIG welding? Wow. And is this also stainless steel?
Yeah.
It is? So it won't rust on me, and I don't have to worry about it anymore?
Well, actually, I just melted together the two metals, so I not any rod or any wire in it.
Okay.
Those, well, I left them alone because they were good.
Okay. Nice. All right. Let's bring it over. I think you go first in there. I'm out here. This is Z, like Z-H-I, Z. Oh, fit please. Oh, looking like it fits. I'm in business. Just add some silicone around here and I'm done.
No,
Woo!
no, I don't know.
Very nice. Thank you so much.
Any miles?
Probably 150, 250 miles. Yeah.